We are here, finally here. Take a look. That's what I'm talking about. We are going into Universal Studios. Woo! Take a look. Universal Studios. What is going on? What? It's so beautiful out here. Fantastic. Take a look at this. Absolutely phenomenal. I am so pumped up. I'm here. So glad. It is warm out today. For sure. Warm day. That's all right. Universal Studios, baby. Yes, sir. Woo! Hungry here.
Yeah. I want some of them. I'll go.
Let it move. All right, so we're in Universal Studios. Super stoked. We're in the Minion thing. What do you think, Chet? What do you think, buddy? That's what he thinks. He's pretty quiet about it, but I'm so stoked and pumped up right now. Get that fast pass. Got these cool glasses. All right, you guys, I love you. Oh yeah, take a look. What? Take a look at that. Sorry. Hey guys, how are you? What do we have over here, Michael?
People.
We have people over here. Take a look. Left. Actually, we have a nice train too.
That's Hogwarts Express, bro.
Is that real? Really? We got Fast and the Furious right here. Take a look, you guys. This is awesome. The Dippin' Dots right here. About to get some Dippin' Dots. What? Man, what a beautiful time. Beautiful time. Oh, this is cool. Oh, there's the one out the movie. Oh, they got an eating place right here.
Yes, Lincoln Culture.
This is sick, bro.
And this is only not the right half, but like Harry Potter world's on that side, on the other part.
Really?
Yeah. The ride's in the main. Dragon up there? All
right, Fast and Furious, we're walking through. we got these fast passes, so it goes by real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. Now we're just walking. Don't talk. Come on, Michael! Come on, Michael! Come on, Brett! Oh, man! What? All right, you guys. Take a look at this. How sweet is this? This is so awesome. I'm like a little kid again. I'm not a Harry Potter fan, so I really don't know what I'm looking at, but this is just really cool. I remember watching Harry Potter when I was a kid, just like on and off, not the whole thing, so I can remember a little bit about this. Look, Liam. Look, Liam. What do you think, dude? It's Harry Potter, dude. Brittany! Oh, take a look. Michael, where are we at?
Harry Potter!
Harry Potter! How about that? This is kind of a creepy dude right here. Take a look. Oh, we're doing fast tracks, so we just passes everybody. We got all the way down.
About to show our new clients the vault. I'll just get you the keys.
Well, I moved them. All you have to do is ask.
What's up, everybody? It is beautiful out here. Take a look. I'm running a little hot right now. You know, it's like 80 degrees. I'm not complaining though, because man, back home it's so much colder. Ugh.
That's what I'm wondering.
Alright, you guys, so this right here, I don't even know what it's called. Just went on this baby. Biggest coaster that they have. It was astronomically crazy. It goes straight up and
Go
then
subscribe
down.
to my YouTube channel.
Go subscribe! How was it, Nora? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Alright. We had a lot of fun, but it was so scary going straight up and then down. It was amazing. But the G-force is going around in the circle. That's where it was hard and difficult. So definitely, if you come here to Universal Studios, you've got to try that. You've got to try. What'd you say? What'd you say?
Last podcast of the day.
Oh, look at that guy. Look how pink he is. Woo! Come to Papa, ladies. All right, till next time.
E.T. Go to deeply. Hurry. E.T. Get me Welcome home. You have
Lego.
What's up, everybody? So it is absolutely tiring. I'm so tired. That's what happens when you run on YouTube. People want to stick their hands in there. So take a look. What's up, everybody? So take a look right here. What's up? We're out here. Michael, look what you think about that, Michael. Michael's staying strong. Look at his muscles.
I gotta be in one of his other vlogs.
He's been working on those.
I'm about to go on the mommy.
I'm telling you, he's about to go on the mummy. Trent's gonna be first time on the mummy. He's gonna have some fun. I don't know what else to say. This guy's exhausted. Look at this guy. He's done. Done. Yeah. Which means what? Guys, we came, we conquered, we had a blast. Michael's over here. What up, Michael? We are gonna have a blast. He might have just showed me his titty, and I don't know it. I smell really good. It's me. We're out of here, you guys. Love yous. Until next time. Out.